front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and clicking on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now, before creating a new one, you can tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings, scroll and manage all of those under Alarms however you want to, like Snooze. When you finished, go back and use this button with a plus at the bottom to create a new alarm. Here, set up an hour. You can always change it later on, and then hit OK at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. Now you can adjust it however you wish to. At the top, tap on Add Label, type in whatever you want to, and hit OK. To change an hour, tap on it, pick a different one, and confirm your choice by hitting OK. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. And to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to pause alarm and pick a date. Then hit OK to save them, and this tiny remove button to get rid of them. Now you can click on this bell icon, log in into Music, YouTube Music and Spotify to use music from any of those platforms, or select Sounds and tap on Add New to pick any song from your device. Just click on it. You can also apply any of those sounds by tapping on the best one and going back. Now click on this tiny icon next to Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations for this alarm, and in order to add it to your previously established Google Assistant routine, click on this plus next to it and wait. Now to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner. To turn on or off your alarm, use this switcher next to it. To make any changes, click on it and change whatever you want to. And to get rid of it, use the Lite button at the bottom left corner. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!